Friday, the 15th of September. We are heading out to do our sightseeing day, our tourist day. We're first heading back to the bakery we went to yesterday. Grab some pastries. Once we've gotten our snack, then we are gonna head down to Sacré-Cœur and go check out that area. We got our pastries, got a quick breakfast, got a bacon, whatever it is, basically bacon and cheese.
And bread.
Baked into bread.
They're so good. We already ate the sun-dried tomato and cheese. So good.
And we got escargot and fish.
It's fruit and cream cheese. It's called escargot because it's shaped into a spiral that looks like a snail. It does not have snails in it. Down to Triomphe. Well, hello.
L'Arc de Triomphe. Ourselves our lovely macarons. She convinced me we needed a dozen of them, so we got a dozen. All different flavors. I don't think we got anything of the same either.
No, we didn't. We got one of each.
There's no like overlap in flavors either.
There's a lot of chocolate ones. There's chocolate in chocolate.
So we're headed down to the Ability to go sit and eat some of them. Probably not all of them. There's a lot of them. And then we're gonna go recreate a photo that her parents took
20 years ago.
10 years ago. 2007, right?
2007, so 10 years ago.
10 years ago. You excited?
Yes.
Should be.
$40 worth of fucking macarons.
Yeah.
For 12.
12. But apparently they're the best, so it's worth it. We got on the train. We came one stop and then stopped. And there was another train across the platform. And so we stayed on the train and we drove around. But then the train across the platform left. And a bunch of people rushed to get to that train. Then, when the next train came, we decided to transfer. And right as we got on the train that we're currently on, the train that we were originally on left, figuring out this Paris Metro thing. place where we believe her parents took their shot.
10 years ago.
Yeah, I definitely
That totally did. I don't even think I'm wearing mascara anymore.
I was thinking about it, I was like, oh, she's doing her makeup today, perfect.
Little did you know, I'm gonna cry it all off anyway.
Yeah. We were on the bus trying to get to the Louvre, but now we're off the bus running because we have to get to the Louvre in time. So we have to run now because our tickets expire in 10 minutes. If our tickets expire, it's not the worst thing, but we just have to wait in the normal line.
Which it should be a lot longer.
We made it, and with a very sticky girlfriend.
Fiance. It's right.
Fiance, yes. Fiance.
Get it right.
Where are we going?
Don't say.
What bus are we taking?
69.
Yeah, so we're done with the Louvre.
3 hours in the Louvre.
And that's actually not that long. Like, a lot of people say to spend the entire day.
Well, we didn't really like pay attention
Yeah.
to what we were looking at either, and then we made it a point to just skip a whole exhibit. Unless you're like a huge history buff and know like what you're looking at, yeah, maybe. It's a lot to look at.
It's one of those bucket list things. Like,
Yeah. So we found out that the trick was to pick up what you want to see. Right? And see that.
and go at night.
Friday.
Wednesday and Friday.
Yeah.
They have later hours. They close at 9:45 p.m. When we got there at 6, I think that was enough.
That was a lot for us.
So we definitely recommend buying the ticket on the website and making a time in order to skip the line.
It's been a long day. We're gonna have some Vietnamese food, and then we're gonna go watch the Eiffel Tower light up. What's in your hand?
Pink toilet paper.
What's gonna happen with the pink toilet paper?
We bought this bottle of cider to commemorate our engagement, but it's warm and we want it to be cold. And so we're gonna do the old wrap the bottle in wet paper towel, stick it in the freezer for like 10 minutes, and it's cold. Problem is, they don't have paper towels, so we gotta use toilet paper.
Project Make Cider Cold.
What you want to do is you want to take, in this case, toilet paper, get it damp, wrap it around the bottle, stick it in the freezer. What that does is then the thin layer of wet toilet paper will essentially freeze really fast and encase the entire bottle in a frozen shell, which then speeds up the transmission of the cold through the entire beverage, in this case cider. Usually it only takes about 10 minutes.
Fingers crossed it works.